Multiple Patriot Sports teams were busy over the break. On Friday, November 22nd, the bowling team had a match against DeSoto Central. The boys team got the win, and the girls team came up just short. Aiden Cohen led the boys with a 648 total, and Bailey Shields led the girls with a 497 total. The soccer teams also played on Friday, with the boys winning 3-0. Miller Lashley had 2 goals, and Braxton Sharp added on another. Basketball hosted a tournament over Thanksgiving break at Coach Tipp Court. The girls placed second, going 1-1, and the boys won the tournament going 2-0, with Asher Maury winning the MVP. Wrestling traveled to Collierville on the 26th and went 3-1 in varsity duels. For Patriot Sports Weekly, I'm Cade Sanders.
Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Kara Walker, and this is Patriot Vision for Monday, December 2nd, 2024. Tonight, bundle up and come out to support the JV boys and girls soccer at home. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. is the deadline for the Hall of Fame application. Hall of Fame is not just for the academically gifted, so check your school email for a link and start applying. Congratulations to Zach Clark, Kyle Thomas, Lillian Childress, Ewan Cross, Layla Riley, and Annalyn Ellis for being cast in this year's play. Your Good Man, Charlie Brown, will debut on the weekend of February 28th. If you're interested in being a part of the track program, girls track tryouts are on December 4th and 5th from 3:15 to 4:30. If you have any questions, see Coach Parker. Boys track tryouts are December 10th, 11th, and 12th at 4 p.m. Scan the QR code to sign up. Career Tech is holding an open house for the East and West campuses. The West campus is on Thursday, December 5th from 4:30 to 6:30, and the East campus is tomorrow, December 3rd from 5 to 6:30 p.m. Each campus has unique program offerings. Go to their website to find more information. And finally, state testing begins on Friday. You can find your room assignment and test dates outside the library. Thanks for watching and have a great day.